Hello all.
They trust me. They all trust me so much. If they knew how little I actually deserve it.
I'm working. Feel free to look around, though.
Can't wait to try it out.
Take care. Ahriman's forces are moving towards our coasts. Whoever is leading this unit, they won't escape us for long. Look around. I'm sure you'll find something that takes your fancy.
Look at that. What a remarkable structure.
Take care. Ahriman's forces are moving towards our coasts. Remember, while Ahriman is surrounded by his lieutenants, he is a much fiercer adversary.
You'll have to tell me how it goes. I mean, I'm sure something happened while you were gone. What that is, I couldn't tell you.
We were so close to saving her.
Take care. Ahriman's forces are moving towards our coasts. We are getting closer to trapping this accomplice. Look around. I'm sure you'll find something that takes your fancy. You have a good eye.
Beauty has a function unto itself. Marvelous seeing you. Come back soon.
Hello there, friend. Please, browse my wares. Take care. Ahriman's forces are moving towards our coasts.
Got the details down? Good. Off you go.
Oh, hi. You been somewhere? You look a little rough.
Please, look around. I'm sure you'll find something that takes your fancy. A fine item. Thank you very much.
Greetings, my lady. I have a renovation project at hand.
Take care. Ahriman's forces are moving towards our coasts. Not only does Ahriman have the Covenant's loyalty, he has forced many more into his service. We must cull his forces while we still can.
That's not happening.
lady, there have been some developments in your absence. Perhaps you should take a look.
Looks like it is ready. And how remarkable it is. Take care. Ahriman's forces are moving towards our coasts. The Purple Phoenix mercenaries are trailing one of Ahriman's lieutenants. It may take some time before we can proceed with an attack.
What? Oh, it's you. Welcome back. I'm probably the wrong person to ask about recent developments.
We do not have much more time, and there is still much work to do. We are getting closer to trapping this accomplice.
Victory. On to the next one.
We do not have much more time, and there is still much work to do. The Purple Phoenix remains undetected by any of Ahriman's forces. Their reports have been crucial in pursuing this target.
I need more power.
humble quartermaster at your service. A profitable transaction for both parties.
We do not have much more time, and there is still much work to do.
The contract is yours. Joy.
The bigger they are, the harder.
Minus membership, processing fees.
We do not have much more time, and there is still much work to do. Much of Ahriman's power lies within his subordinates. Without them, he is nothing.
Victor, one day.
Welcome back, my lady. Stormfall's recent developments are ready for review.
Expedition was a success. Fancy leaving some of those for me? No, of course, I was only joking around. Excuse me, my lady. The artifact has already been returned.
Come on in. I'm not really doing anything important. My lady, do you have a minute?
Sure. What do you have for me?
We do not have much more time, and there is still much work to do. We only need a little time. Soon enough, this peon will be at our mercy.
Hello, my lady. I will assemble the council at once.
Glad you could be here, Ascended.
My friend, you are always welcome here. What can I do for you? We do not have much more time, and there is still much work to do. Remember, while Ahriman is surrounded by his lieutenants, he is a much fiercer adversary. The city has been a veritable hive of activity. Oh, my friend.
The Order has gathered, my lady.
Standing by to calibrate the device, my lady.
Glad you could be here, Ascended. I've been discussing Ahriman's income.
We do not have much more time, and there is still much work to do. Whoever is leading this unit, they won't escape us for long. Customer, welcome to my humble stand. You know Mojave is always the best value.
My lord, renovation works on the trade assembly are finished. Our diplomats have several trade missions planned. They are awaiting your authorization.
Oh, it's you. Who else? Right, sorry. Would you like to begin transmuting an item? You're here. How wonderful. Calibration can begin whenever you're ready.
Come in. There's no need to be shy. We go way back, no?
Excuse me, my lady. The artifact has already been returned. As you wish, my lady. We will pass on your orders.
Ahriman will be at our gates in a minute. We must deploy.
We must be prepared for the worst. And I am not strong enough to wield it again. But, Ascended, remember, using the Hellion comes with a heavy price. Use it only when all else fails.
To your posts! The Covenant's forces will be here any moment!
Thunderblades, listen. Stormfall, our precious jewel, must not fall this day. Let us drive these vile cults from our beloved city!
Live or die, we honor Ashara's memory today. They may have taken our matriarch from us, but they will not have her child. For Ashara! For Ashara!
Stay strong, brothers, and have courage. Anathea will guide our blades, and we will not falter. We will not fail. One with the light! One with the light!
The Covenant! They're here!
Stand firm, brothers!
My lady, a message from Eos Karnes. Ahriman has opened portals at each axis of Stormfall. He's flanking us. All our forces are mobilized near these sewers, and we cannot weaken our position.
Got it. Then it's all up to me. Catch your breath, Salahir. I'll deal with the portals. Sleepers, they do like to talk, don't they? Ahriman, I'm tired of dealing with your lack. And here's the sword. We're safe from another. What's going on? All major entries.
That came from the palace. Let's hurry.
Aelwa.
Eos, you...
Rejoice, Ascended. Your suffering will soon be over.
Nobody wants your peace, Ahriman. This ends here, now.
But aren't you happy to see us, sister?
Why not join us, my child? We can be a family again.
Enough! Reveal yourself, demon.
As you wish.
Don't expect a reoccurrence of our last fight.
The Blind Prince is with us now. I'll show you the power he brings.
It's not possible. Come on. Wake up, Valeria. Kick that bastard out.
Your defiance won't go unpunished.
There's no giving up on family.
The helium, now! Miserable mortals! Curse me. Hate me. Anything you want. But
Are you
No. Don't turn back now. Not after everything we've done. If the world won't let me die, guess it's up to me to pay it forward. Damascus? Isn't this usually Eugene's post?
As you can see, using my personal funds, I've bought the Purple Phoenix's service. Indefinitely. Things aren't looking good, champion. Each of the Covenant's cults has been recruiting. We will need to source intelligence from all over the Adrigion Cut if we are going to keep up with R.I.P.
And that's why you're working with the Purple Phoenix?
Precisely. Eugene will keep track of any cultist operations they find on the map. And it will be up to you to order an intervention. I can't stress this enough. If we cannot weaken Ahriman before he gets here, things will get ugly.
So I'll need to go sabotage his operations in person? Well, why not? I've never been good at delegating. I feel stronger. To take me down. Nothing will stand in my way.
Leave me! We served you without question, followed your orders, you... Come on then, finish it!
I had no choice. No one would believe that I never sought these powers, that they were given to me against my will.
you been somewhere? You look a little rough.
The power flows through.
My lady, as you requested, I've managed to alter the Forge's transmutation process. Now there's a chance that anything you put in will change into something even rarer and more powerful. Come and give it a go.
Glad you could be.
Oh, it's you, my lady. There are plenty of missions prepared. Just give the order.
That creature you call Ahriman has retreated for now. No doubt to prepare his assault on Stormfall. We only need a little time. Soon enough, this Pio will be at our mercy.
Victory. On to the next one.
Hi there. You left, didn't you? You should probably get caught up.
The Order is grateful for your custom. Farewell.
A jeweler's work is never done. What are you looking for? For all of its sparkle, this one does not satisfy. Work was difficult, but it is to be expected. Come, behold the fruits of their labor.
Oh, my lady. Apologies. I was barely wondering what it would be like to gaze upon something so powerful. Probably best not to know.
That creature you call Ahriman has retreated for now. No doubt to prepare his assault on Stormfall. Whoever is leading this unit, they won't escape us for long. My friend, you are always welcome here. What can I do for you?
What is on the agenda today, my lady?
That creature you call Ahriman has retreated for now. No doubt to prepare his assault on Stormfall. The Purple Phoenix remains undetected by any of Ahriman's forces. Their reports have been crucial in pursuing this target.
Anything can look better with the right gem. Thank you for your custom. Hi. Please don't touch anything.
I'll see you again, I'm sure.
jeweler's work is never done. What are you looking